Hello, my name is Angelo Balistreri. Welcome to this Prier PKn5. That's product knowledge in less than 5 minutes, where we take a deep dive into a particular item or series and not only go over the features and the benefits, but also provide you with additional resources like spec sheets, IOM, and that's installation, operation, and maintenance instructions, a sales flyer, even a 30-second commercial that can help you promote the item at hand. This PKn5 is going to be focused on our C-534 commercial frost-proof wall hydrant. Let's get to the product. Now that we have the C-534 unboxed, you'll start to see that it comes with a couple pieces of literature. The first one is that IOM that we talked about earlier. That's your installation, operation, and maintenance instructions. There's also a little letter that details some of the unique properties and features of this C-534. Those can also be echoed on the little placard that comes adhered to the C-534, talking about one of the very unique things about this product: its self-draining feature. The C-534 is unique that it actually has weep holes behind the packing nut. When you turn your valve off, it allows all the water in the system to drain from behind the nut, even if a hose is connected. This ensures we always have frost-proof protection, even if the hose is attached. Now you'll also notice that it is going to have a key lassoed to the product. This is hopefully to ensure that it doesn't get thrown away in the packaging and it can make its way to the end user. And that key is going to operate our rising stem. That rising stem is going to have 2 brass ends and a patented triple ridge stopper on the back that ensures a positive shutoff every time. Even if I have debris that's stuck in it or pieces have worn down, the triple ridge stopper has you covered. Regarding the head itself, it is going to be a heavy cast brass, and it's going to be nickel plated for years of attractive and reliable service. We also want to call out installation couldn't be easier. With our flat back design, all you have to do is drill a single hole, slide it through, and mount with our 2 mounting holes on the front of the product. Now you may not always want this to be mounted and exposed. You do have an option for our C-534 BX4. It's a stainless steel box sold separately, but works only with our C-534, allowing you to recess it into the wall and have a nice, clean, polished look on the exterior. With installation, we have multiple inlet options. You can choose from 9 different inlets ranging from 1/2 inch to 3/4. We have thread, we have sweat, we have press ready, we have PEX fittings, you name it, we got it. What about length? Well, we have it stocked from close couple, it's a little less than 2 inches, all the way up to 24 inches. Now, here at Prier, we pride ourselves in customizing. Should you need something longer, reach out to us, we have you covered. Now, the last thing we most definitely want to note is codes. You want to know, do we have you covered when it comes time for that engineer, that inspector? Do you have the ASSE, the CUPC? Yes, we do. With our P004 vacuum breaker on the end, not only are you getting an ASSE 1052 code approved valve, you also are guaranteeing there is no sprayback. Whenever you let go of that pistol grip and you pressurize the hose and you shut this off, most hydrants have a sprayback that allows that water to burp. With our neopearl check valve, we guarantee you do not have any sprayback. And of course, being a domestic manufacturer here in Kansas City, this product does qualify for Buy America, Build America, Buy America, and a handful of other certifications. Feel free to reach out. We can help you with those. But the C-534 has you covered on any job you and your customer are looking for. Now that's a lot of information coming at you all at once, and you may ask yourself, what do you want me to do? We'd ask you to share it. Take this PKn5 and pass it along to your customers so they know about the C-534. Thank you for joining us on this PKn5.